I was on a hunting trip in South Georgia and had this ungodly pain. I looked over at my buddy and said, I think I'm having a heart attack. The emergency room doctor said, the good news is you didn't have a heart attack, but the bad news is you have a torn aorta. I've called 4 hospitals and found Dr. Bradley Leshnower of Emory Hospital in Atlanta, and that's where you're going. We landed on the roof of Emory Hospital, where I was met by Dr. Leshnower and his team and immediately rolled into surgery.
Jack had an aortic dissection. It's a tear in the biggest blood vessel of your body. Time is of the essence, and getting them into the operating room and that aorta replaced is paramount to survival.
Dr. Leshnower called me at about 4 o'clock in the morning to tell me Jack had responded well to the surgery. It was like a miracle how his body came back.
I was told that there was a very low percentage of people that survived what I had, so that I was lucky that I had a world-class surgeon like Dr. Leshnower.
I'm just so grateful for everything Emory did. We were lucky Dr. Leshnower was there the night that he was. The stars lined up.
We have 3 children, they're all married, and actually we just found out we're going to have our 4th grandchild. Part of the drive to get back into shape is to be able to share many, many more times and stories and experiences with them. My name is Jack, and thanks to Emory Healthcare, I survived an aortic dissection.